What if I told you that Mars would kill you in less than 60 seconds? Not 60 minutes, not 60 hours. 60 seconds. This is the brutal reality of the red planet that nobody talks about. Welcome to Mars, humanity's dream destination. A beautiful rust-colored world that hides 7 deadly threats. And today we're counting down exactly how this planet would kill you faster than you can imagine. The moment you step onto Mars without full protection, a countdown begins. 7 different ways to die. Some you've heard about, others will shock you. All of them are more terrifying than science fiction. Today we explore all 7 threats, from the obvious to the unexpected, from the instant to the inevitable. This is your complete guide to how Mars kills. Let's begin the countdown. Threat number 1, atmospheric pressure. On Earth we live under 14.7 pounds per square inch of pressure every single day. Mars has almost no atmosphere, just 0.087 psi, less than 1% of Earth. Your body cannot handle this. The moment you're exposed, gases dissolved in your blood start to bubble, like opening a soda can. This is called ebullition. Your body begins to swell. Your skin stretches. The moisture in your soft tissue starts to vaporize. You're becoming a balloon. Inside your blood vessels, bubbles form and grow. Your blood doesn't boil from heat. It boils from lack of pressure. Within 15 seconds, your face swells dramatically. Your eyes bulge. The water on your tongue begins to bubble and evaporate violently. Consciousness fades fast. Your body would survive about 90 seconds total, but you'd be unconscious long before that, thank God. The pressure gauge drops into the red zone. Life support systems scream warnings. But on Mars, there's no emergency room coming. Threat number 2 hits simultaneously. Temperature. Mars averages -80 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, it drops to -225. Your extremities freeze first. Fingers turn white within 20 seconds. Ice crystals form in your tissues at the microscopic level. Frostbite spreads from fingertips to knuckles. The water in your cells freezes and expands. Cell walls rupture. Thousands of tiny explosions. Your core temperature plummets. The thin atmosphere can't hold heat. You're radiating warmth into nothing. Your body shivers violently, trying desperately to generate heat. At the cellular level, ice crystals grow like daggers. They pierce through cell membranes, destroying the basic structure of life itself. Body core temperature drops below 90 degrees. Then 80. Hypothermia sets in fast. Your heart slows. Your metabolism can't keep up. You curl into a fetal position instinctively, trying to conserve heat that's already gone. Frost forms on your skin and clothing. Your lips turn white, then blue, then frozen solid. Mars pulls every degree of warmth from your body faster than death itself. Threat number 3 is suffocation. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, only 0.13% oxygen. You need 19%. You try to breathe. Your lungs fill with carbon dioxide. No oxygen enters your bloodstream. Your body knows immediately something is catastrophically wrong. Inside your lungs, red carbon dioxide floods in. Blue oxygen should be there, but it isn't. The gas exchange system fails completely. Your brain is the first organ to suffer. It uses 20% of your oxygen despite being 2% of body weight. 10 seconds. Vision tunnels. 15 seconds. You can't think straight. 20 seconds. You collapse. Your hand clutches at your throat desperately. Your brain shuts down region by region, like city lights going dark during a blackout. Consciousness fades. Memory fails. Everything stops. Your heart beats irregularly, then slower, then it stops. The monitor flatlines. 60 seconds without oxygen. Brain death is permanent. Your body lies motionless on the red surface. Helmet beside you. The dust already beginning to cover what remains. Suffocation complete. Threat number 4, radiation. Earth has a magnetic field that protects us. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago. On Mars, you're exposed to the full force of cosmic rays and solar radiation. Invisible particles rain down constantly like deadly bullets. High-energy particles slam into your DNA. The double helix structure shatters, genetic code destroyed at the molecular level. Mutations occur instantly. Radiation passes through your entire body, through organs, through bones, through cells, leaving a trail of destruction in every tissue it touches. The Geiger counter on your belt flashes red warnings. Radiation levels climb into lethal zones. Your body is being bombarded every single second. At the skin level, radiation particles tear through cell layers. Each strike kills cells, damages DNA. destroys the mechanisms that keep you alive. Your radiation dosimeter climbs rapidly, 50 millisieverts, 250, 1000, deep into the red zone. Lethal exposure in 60 seconds. Even if rescued, the damage continues. Cancer, immune collapse, organ failure, radiation poisoning that kills you slowly over months. No escape. Threat number 5, Martian dust. Under a microscope, each grain looks like broken glass. Sharp, jagged, microscopic blades that cut everything. Compare Earth sand to Mars dust. Earth sand is smooth and rounded. Mars dust has razor edges. It's like comparing pebbles to shattered glass. Dust storms on Mars can cover the entire planet. Walls of particles 200 meters high. And every single grain is a weapon. You breathe in. The dust is so fine it bypasses your nose and throat defenses, straight into your lungs, deep into the alveoli. Inside your lungs, microscopic blades slice through tissue, each particle cutting, destroying the delicate membranes where oxygen exchange happens. Blood appears. Your throat is shredded from the inside. Dust particles cut into the soft tissue. Blood flows. You can taste metal and dust. You cough violently. Blood appears on your hand. The dust also carries toxic perchlorates, poison entering your bloodstream through the cuts. The dust storm clears. Your body lies covered in red Martian dust, lungs full of microscopic glass, drowning in your own blood. Threat number 6, solar wind. When the sun erupts in a solar flare, streams of charged particles shoot across space at incredible speeds. On Mars, with no magnetic field, these particles hit the surface directly. You're standing in a storm of electrons and protons traveling near light speed. Charged particles slam into atoms in your body. They knock electrons out of orbit, breaking chemical bonds, ionizing your tissues at the atomic level. Your nervous system goes haywire. Neurons communicate with electrical signals. Solar particles create interference. Your nerves fire randomly. Chaos at the cellular level. Your muscles spasm uncontrollably. Arms jerk. Legs buckle. Your body convulses. You have no control. The solar wind is overriding your nervous system. Your heart rhythm becomes erratic. Solar particles interfere with the electrical signals that control your heartbeat. Irregular, dangerous, life-threatening arrhythmia begins. The radiation detector screams warnings. Solar event detected. Maximum alert. All systems red. But there's nowhere to hide. No shelter, no escape. The solar bombardment continues. Your body absorbs radiation equivalent to thousands of X-rays. Cells cooking from inside. Proteins denaturing. Chemistry of life destroyed. Threat number 7 is different. Psychological breakdown. The moment you realize you're truly dying. 140 million miles from home. You're completely alone on an alien world. The nearest human is months away, or on a planet you'll never see again. Looking up, Earth is just a tiny blue dot in the black sky. Impossibly far. Your home, your family, everyone you love. Unreachable. Your mind begins to fracture. The human brain isn't designed for this level of isolation combined with mortal terror. Hallucinations begin. You sit on the red rocks, head in hands. The psychological weight crushes you as surely as the physical threats kill you. Tears form. They float inside your helmet in the low gravity. Tiny spheres of despair. Your last moments aware you're dying alone, you reach out desperately, grasping for help that cannot come, for rescue that doesn't exist. Your hand falls. Strength gone. Hope extinguished. You curl up on the cold ground. Fetal position. Alone. Dying. Your mind gives up before your body does. Psychological death is complete. But here's what makes Mars even more terrifying. When we send astronauts there, they'll live just millimeters from all these threats. Every single day, a spacesuit is only 3 millimeters thick. 3 millimeters between life and death. Between survival and the 7 ways Mars kills you. Every day on Mars requires constant vigilance, checking every seal, inspecting every gasket. One mistake, one failure, and the 60-second countdown begins. Future Mars bases will be islands of life in an ocean of death, habitats surrounded by vacuum, cold, radiation, and toxic dust. The countdown is always there. 60 seconds. That's all that separates every Mars explorer from 7 different ways to die. Mars is beautiful from a distance, red dunes, peaceful landscape. But step onto that surface and you discover the brutal truth underneath. Astronauts will stand at windows looking out, knowing that beautiful landscape wants them dead. Constant awareness, constant vigilance. never relaxing. Survival requires teamwork, checking each other's suits, watching for mistakes. Because on Mars, your crewmate's life depends on your attention to detail. But humans are going anyway, despite the 7 deadly threats, despite the constant danger, because that's what humans do. We survive the impossible, walking toward the future, confident despite the odds. We look at Mars and see not death, but challenge, opportunity, a second home worth dying for. 2 planets, Earth and Mars, humanity expanding across the solar system, living 60 seconds from death. Every moment, every day, that's the price of the stars.